She heard voices telling her to see a doctor, that she had a brain tumor. The scan confirmed they were exactly right. Welcome to Bizarre Daily. I'm Fox. The world got weirder overnight.
I'm Dana, and I'm here to make sure we don't lose our minds. 5 stories today, and at least one of them genuinely shouldn't be possible.
Our lead, a medical case that challenges everything we think we know about the mind-body connection. Voices providing accurate medical information the patient had no way of knowing.
Plus shadows moving faster than light without breaking physics. 2 black holes on a collision course we'll actually get to witness. And the legendary king, Gilgamesh, turns out to be more than legend.
Let's go down the rabbit hole. A woman walked into her doctor's office with what should have been a delusion. Voices were telling her she had a brain tumor. Not vague warnings. Specific, insistent, accurate descriptions of what was happening inside her own skull. Here's why this isn't just another medical curiosity. The woman had no symptoms, no headaches, no seizures, no neurological problems that would normally send someone for a scan. Just voices. And when doctors finally ran the tests, they found exactly what the voices described. A brain tumor, in the precise location the voices indicated. This is 2026. This case is in the medical literature right now, and doctors are calling it a diagnostic dilemma, which is a very clinical way of saying they have no idea how she knew.
Okay, I need to jump in here before our audience starts thinking we're endorsing psychic powers. The most likely explanation is the tumor itself caused the hallucinations. It's a neurological feedback loop. Damaged brain tissue creates voices that coincidentally reference the damage.
That was my first thought too. But Dana, most brain tumors cause generic symptoms, headaches, confusion, personality changes. They don't produce detailed, accurate self-diagnoses. The specificity here is what breaks the model.
I know. I've been trying to find a precedent for this. There isn't one. Not with this level of accuracy. Either we're looking at the most extraordinary coincidence in medical history, or
consciousness has detection mechanisms we don't understand. The brain knowing things about itself through channels that don't appear in textbooks. Not magic. Just biology we haven't mapped yet.
I don't have an explanation for that one, and I've tried.
The case joins a small but growing literature on what researchers call anomalous cognition. Instances where people appear to access information through means that don't fit current scientific models. Whether that's gaps in our understanding of brain function or something genuinely paranormal. The honest answer is, we don't know.
Einstein said nothing can travel faster than light. For over a century, that's been the cosmic speed limit. But physicists just observed something that appears to violate this rule without actually violating it. They were studying light beams in a laboratory when they noticed pinpricks of darkness moving faster than 300,000 kilometers per second. That's faster than light, which should be impossible.
But here's the elegant loophole. The shadows aren't physical objects. They're patterns, absences, and patterns can move at any speed without carrying information or energy. No laws broken, just reality being more complex than our intuitions.
Exactly. It's like shining a flashlight at the moon and sweeping your hand across the beam. The shadow on the lunar surface moves faster than light could travel that distance, but nothing physical is actually moving that fast. It's a geometric effect, not a physical one.
Still, the implications are fascinating. If absence can behave differently than presence, What does that tell us about information? About causality? The experiment pushes at the edges of our understanding in ways that could lead to new insights about quantum mechanics and relativity.
The universe has rules, but those rules allow for behaviors that seem impossible until you understand the fine print. It's a reminder that physics is full of loopholes we haven't fully explored.
In galaxy NGC 7727, 500 million light-years away, two monsters are circling each other. Each is a supermassive black hole, millions of times the mass of our sun, and they're spiraling toward a collision that will happen in just 100 years.
100 years. That's potentially within human lifetimes. For the first time, we may actually witness a cosmic event of this magnitude.
When they merge, they won't explode. Instead, they'll release gravitational waves. Ripples in the fabric of space-time predicted by Einstein and first detected in 2015. These waves will travel across the universe at the speed of light. And when they reach Earth, everything on our planet will physically stretch and compress by microscopic amounts.
We'll feel a cosmic cataclysm from halfway across the observable universe, not with our senses, but with our instruments, and perhaps with a new understanding of our place in the cosmos.
We're alive at the exact moment in cosmic history when we can both predict and potentially witness such an event. Is that coincidence? Or are there simply so many cosmic events that some are bound to align with human existence?
Either way, it's a reminder that the universe operates on scales and timelines that dwarf human civilization. We're temporary observers of processes that have been unfolding for billions of years. For millennia, scholars debated whether Gilgamesh was real, the hero of the world's oldest epic poem. A king who sought immortality, battled monsters, journeyed to the edge of the world. Myth or history? Researchers at the National Museum of Denmark just found a royal king list on cuneiform tablets over 4,000 years old. And Gilgamesh is on it, listed among the actual rulers of ancient Mesopotamia.
This isn't a medieval retelling or a Greek account of ancient legends. This is a document from the same civilization, written in their language, listing their kings, contemporary with, or shortly after the time Gilgamesh supposedly ruled.
Being listed as a king doesn't confirm the supernatural elements of the epic. Many legends have historical kernels, but the discovery confirms that Gilgamesh was more than pure mythology. He was likely a real Sumerian king of Uruk, whose reign became legendary.
The tablets had sat in museum storage for around a century. Only now, with modern digital methods, has their significance been recognized. How many other discoveries are waiting in archives and storage rooms, already collected, but not yet understood? In the Kent countryside, a village holds a Guinness World Record. Pluckley is officially the most haunted village in Britain, home to between 12 and 16 documented ghosts.
The hauntings read like a Gothic novel. The Red Lady, a noblewoman buried in 7 coffins, still searching for her stillborn child's unmarked grave. The White Lady, staring mournfully from library windows. A highwayman killed in a sword fight at something called Fright Corner.
The concentration of reported phenomena in one small area has made Pluckley a focal point for paranormal research. Multiple witnesses over centuries describing similar apparitions.
The power of suggestion and tourism economy create strong incentives for maintaining the reputation. But the consistency of some reports is intriguing. Either genuine phenomena or remarkably persistent folklore.
The village raises questions about the geography of haunting. Why do certain locations seem to concentrate anomalous experiences across generations? Is it something about the place itself, or something about human psychology? Time for the X-Files round. Rapid-fire weirdness you need to know about.
Pentagon under pressure. Democratic Representative Jared Moskowitz has joined Republican Anna Paulina Luna in demanding the Pentagon release UFO videos that were due by April 14th. Luna threatened consequences for whoever is, quote, trying to be cute at the Pentagon. Bipartisan pressure for disclosure is growing.
Ecuador school hysteria. A school in Ecuador experienced mass hysteria affecting multiple students, attributed to a Ouija board session. Whether genuine paranormal influence or social contagion, the phenomenon of mass psychogenic illness remains poorly understood.
Ancient Egyptian water temple. Archaeologists discovered a perfectly circular ancient Egyptian temple with complex water infrastructure, possibly used for sacred water rituals. Circular temples are unusual in Egyptian architecture, which typically favored rectangular structures.
Anglo-Saxon double burial. Ancient DNA analysis revealed that two skeletons buried together 1,400 years ago were an older sister cradling her younger brother. Both likely died of the same infectious disease. A moment of sibling love preserved across millennia. Before we go, the Unsubstantiated files. Stories too strange to ignore, too thin to verify. Single sources, no corroboration. You decide.
The opossum toss. A South Carolina man faces criminal charges, including something called a concerning opossum toss, which sounds less like a legal charge and more like a rejected Olympic event.
Probably animal cruelty with quirky wording, but I want to see the police report. Cylindrical UFO. Video from Mississippi shows what appears to be a cylindrical UFO hovering in the sky. Less flying saucer, more floating cigar.
Without knowing distance and scale, could be anything from a balloon to a distant aircraft. But the cylindrical form is less commonly reported than classic discs. Reincarnation claims. Researchers continue to claim children are being born with detailed memories of past lives they never lived. The research is controversial, with significant methodological criticisms.
Cold reading and false memories explain most claims. But if even one case is genuine...
Unverified, unconfirmed, unforgettable.
If you've got evidence on any of these thebazar.news, we're listening. That's your Bizarre Daily for Saturday.
If any of these stories made you question what you thought you knew about the world, share this with someone who's ready to go down the rabbit hole.
Full stories with all the sources and evidence at thebazar.news. We link everything. Check our work.
And remember, most of this has a perfectly rational explanation. We just don't know what it is yet.
Until tomorrow, the truth is out there.
Somewhere.